Going to do my resonators delete today. I already have mid muffler delete on my scat pack. And I'll show you in a bit how it sounds like in a cold start. I'm gonna show you guys how it sounds like with a mid delete. This is like this. It sounds pretty amazing, but I still want it a little aggressive, so we're gonna have mid and resonator slate, and I'm pretty excited about this shit. Also gonna do the cover for SRT for my scat pack, but I'll do that later. Their little modes make it shit better, you know. Driving a little aggressive so you guys know how it sounds like. Shawty checking my car. We are ready to hit the highway, and I'll put my car in a track mode. Little more to enjoy. When I have this car for a year, and mid muffler delete for a year, and now it's time for some change. This is what I feel like. Put in a track. Oh fuck. Here. Sweet car. Amazing. And we're ready to go. This I'm gonna delete this and this, and then we're gonna get 5-inch tips. And I'm excited. This is my baby. Getting magic done. So now what I'm getting is rear delete mufflers and 5-inch tips. Also, that was out of question before I came here, and now I saw those and I was like, damn, I gotta get this shit. You know, you feel me?